Ever since I was a kid, I wanted to do foster care, and we finally finished up all of our degrees and got to a point where we could actually, start helping. It's just us and the dogs, so it's a lot more boring without kids being around. We took the classes, we got a first placement. We've had kids from 18 months up to 18 years. So we have the opportunity to learn a lot of things about potty training, but also teaching how to drive.
For the first placement that we had with 2 little boys, we're still in their lives, and we're still involved with their family. We've only had 1 teenager long term, and then we've had about 6 for short periods of time. We taught the most recent 15-year-old that was with us how to swim. There was no paying attention to school before he came, and then we were passing his classes.
You learn a lot from these kids that have gone through such tough situations. To see them grow, and they seem to thrive off of having boundaries.
There will be that one moment where you've had these kids that you know have gone through an experience, and they're safe in their beds, and it's cold outside, but it's warm in your home, and you just feel like you're helping. And it's those moments that really touch your heart. You think, yeah, it's all worth it. You can't fix everything, but you could mean the world to these kids right now, and that's enough.